Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Me, DYang. Oh my gosh, this is like we're gonna do some catfishing. Really early. It's like 5:30, and I got about 3 hours to search and destroy for some catfish. I'm actually gonna wait for my brother Danny to show up. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna be throwing cut baits. Hopefully, stick a couple cats, cause I got 3 hours search and destroy. I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's hope there's some catfish out there. See you guys on the water. Woo! I'm pretty tired. All right. I'm gonna station here, so I'm gonna walk to the bridge actually, and hopefully we find some catfish with us. I'm gonna leave all my stuff here. I'm gonna walk over. Again, today we are using Chubs. Boom, just like that. I made some the other night. So you catch some fish today. Oh yeah, look at that bloody Chubs. I did bring a different rod this time. I think my other rod was a little too stiff, so I think this guy should do. This guy should be a lot better. Oh, look at, oh my god, it's gross. Freaking bloody as heck, man. But what you want to do is you want to put a bunch of meat on here. Draw some nice, juicy and tension. Ooh, look at that. That's gross. Got him. I got that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh yeah, that's a big cat. Got him, guys. Just 5 minutes in. That's a nice cat. Oh jeez. Oh. That's a nice cat right there. Yeah. Got him, boys. We got him. 5 minutes in. Yeah, nice. Alright, boys and girls, I know it's kind of dark, so you can focus. It's got this nice channel. Beautiful fish. It's kind of crooked, sorry, but we're just gonna have to do for now. There we go. Channel catfish. Let's see if we focus. Yeah, these things are so cool, man. They fight so hard. Alright, well, we're just gonna let it go. I don't want to keep any fish today. Even though it's a nice fish. Sweet. Got him. Freaking sheephead. Yeah, sheephead, bro. Oh, just missed another one. Fuck. Dude, what the hell? Keep missing it. Oh! What the freak? They're like running off with it too. They're like biting and running off with it. There he goes again. Got him. That's a big fish. Oh, that's a big cat. Oh, that's a big cat. Oh. That's a big cat. There we go. Oh, that thing's huge. Chill, chill, chill. Yeah. Got him. Danny, I got him. After like 5 tries. Good? Oh, crap. Anyways, it's got this nice channel. Beautiful fish. We're not keeping anything today, so just gonna come out here and have some fun. Going back in the water. Look at his head. His forehead looks like mine. But anyways, yeah, beautiful fish. We're just gonna throw it back in the water. I don't think I'm gonna keep anything. I don't feel like it, so. Oh my God. Right there in the corner of the mouth. Yep. Oh, he smacked my back. What the heck? Beautiful blue cat. Not blue cat, channel cat. Look at the forehead on this thing, man. It's amazing, dude. Off it goes. It's ready to go. Oh yeah. What's up?
Like
yeah.
20 minutes ago?
Yep. Oh, got him. That's a big fish.
You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. Oh. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a big catfish.
Big cat.
Shit, dude, look at him go, look at him go.
Oh my God.
There he goes. You got to, dude. They're so mean, man. There you go. Sheesh. After how many tries? There you go. Nice cat. Doing good eaters. Wow. Nope, I'm good. What? Look at him grunt. Can you hear him? What a beautiful fish. Wow, look at that. So cool. Alright, buddy. Go back. Try to catch you again. What's up, Ron?
Maybe it's the same one.
Oh my dude, what the freak? Oh my gosh, yes. Look at that. Look, it's all ripped up. Something's been chewing on it. Look at that, guys. Yeah, there's nothing left. Whoa, dude, right in front of me, bro. I told you, dude. Jeez, look at him go. Oh, right in front of me, dude. That's what I mean. Like even though, like I say, even though it looks like there's nothing there, there's big fish there, dude. Oh no, it's still good.
Oh, it's still good, dude.
Alright.
Dang, dude, he's a nice eater, bro.
Yeah. You have catfish before, right?
Yeah. Well,
Do I want it?
well, we don't got stringing.
No. Chill, bro. Right. Here. Oh! He hit it so hard. Dude, it's a big rock bass.
That's a big old rock bass.
He hit it so hard. He hit it like a freaking tank, dude. Wow, so pretty.
Yeah, dude. Dude, that's what I said, dude. They're...
Ooh. Something just jumped right next to me. Yeah. Oh, I got one. Jeez. Oh.
What is that?
Catfish. Right, go fishing. Go fish the hole right there. Dude, look at this thing. This thing's cool and good. Oh my gosh, it's deep. Man, these things are vicious. Nice little cat. Oh, dude. What the heck? Yeah. Dang, just missed one. Got him. Oh, it broke me off.
Dang.
It cut me off. Yeah, that was a big dude. Oh my gosh. That was my fault. I should have retied. I was messing with the rocks over there. Holy dirty lens, whatever. Anyways, yeah, I think we're done for today. I mean, as you guys saw in the video, caught a couple. That was like not the ordinary catfishing style that I normally do, but we went and picked up some catfish by the rocks over there, which was pretty cool. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Had a good time. Actually still pretty tired, man. I got up like at 3:30. It's only what, Danny? 8:30. I'm gonna head out, call it a day, and we'll be back out here. I broke off a really big catfish, which sucked. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the water.